Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever found yourself in a situation where you need to cancel your movie tickets in Bookmyshow, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to cancel your tickets and ensure you get your refund without any hassle. So let's dive right in. Step 1. First things first, open the Bookmyshow app on your mobile device or visit their websites. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial because you can only cancel tickets purchased under your registered profile. Step 2. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile. You will see an option labeled Your Orders or Purchase History. Click on that to view all your recent bookings. Step 3. Now find the ticket you wish to cancel. If cancellation is available for that ticket, you will see a cancel booking option next to it. Click on that. Step 4. A pop up will appear detailing the cancellation and refund terms, including any applicable fees. Take a moment to read through this information so you know what to expect. Step 5. Next, you will need to select how you want your refund. You can either get it back to your original payment method, which usually takes about 5 to 7 working days, or opt for BMS cash, which will reflect in your account within just 2 hours. Choose what works best for you. Step 6. Finally, click on Get Refund and confirm the cancellation. You should receive a confirmation message on your screen indicating that your ticket has been successfully cancelled and detailing your refund process. And there you have it. Canceling your tickets on Book My Show is as easy as that. Remember, it's always good idea to check if the cinema allows cancellation before booking your tickets. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.